How much RAM do you really need in a laptop or computer? Today we're gonna let you know in this video. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel, that how much RAM do you really need in your laptop or computer? Yes, how much GB RAM stick you should install in your laptop or computer. First of all, I can't tell you that you need 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM. I can't explain right now because there is a process to know that. Yes, you are listening right. If you are a gamer, then you need a lot of more RAMs, that means 32 GB, 48 GB, and it depends on you. If you do just video editing, then also you require 32 GB or more than that. But if you don't do a lot of tasks like this, you just use browsers, you just watch videos, 2 or 4 GB RAM is sufficient for you. In my scenario, 4 GB is very good for you. If you do little bit of photography, photo video editing or anything like this, you need 8 to 10 GB RAMs, 8 to 12 GB. But if you do 4K video editing or anything like this, you should upgrade your RAM and go to the more than 32 GB or more than that. Now, how to know that your program is handling RAM properly or not? First of all, if you want to know, you have to open your browser, your video editing software, and your other browsers. What do you do? Keep on mind that whatever you do, you have to open them, and after that, what you have to do is just go to keyboard. After opening all the software you regularly use, Control Alt and Delete, and after that go to Task Manager. Going to Task Manager, go to Performance, and over there click on Memory, and you will see that how much memory is available over there. That memory means RAM. How much RAM is available over there? That means if you don't have spare RAM GB over here, that means you should upgrade your RAM. In my scenario, I have 32 gigs of RAM, and I'm just right now using just 10 gigs right now. So that way I have almost 70% is available over there. So that way if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade accordingly. Hope you understood that how you can know how much RAM you really need in your laptop or computer. Keep in mind, if you are exporting or rendering video, then check, you will see that there is a lot of RAM is used. So if there is almost full RAM is used, you can go for upgrade. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood, and don't forget to comment down below you liked this video or not, and how it helped you or not. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.